This is one of the fastest spiders I've ever seen. It runs so quick, so active that it's very difficult for a photographer even to take one shot. Yeah, it doesn't wait as anything comes closer. It makes sure that it sprints. Yeah, but it's it kind of beautiful spider. See how fast it goes and hides under the sticks and the grasses. Yeah, this one is different. It doesn't even shrink like other spiders that hides in them there. So by the way, this one we categorize it in ground spiders, the ground runner spiders. That's the way I call them because they are those which climbs on the bushes and trees and make spider webs. But these ones they usually live underground. You see, there's a baby one. There's a baby one. It's got a small body and bigger legs. Yeah, just spotted it as I was chasing the bigger one. So these are ground spiders. They live in the ground, sometimes in the trash, like the grasses. You find them when they heaped leaves, yeah, and compost sometimes, and they eat. They also eat so for those cockroaches and the other kind of roaches, flies, butterflies, like other spiders do. Yeah, but they don't hunt using the spider webs. They ambush their prey. Yeah, where they live, they find other small insects. Sometimes the mantis, yeah, the grasshoppers, the smaller ones that they can overpower. That's how they feed. Yeah, there's our beautiful spider. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to give us some thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't done so. My name is Felix Shenyera. Thank you so much for viewing this video.